Hello everyone, welcome back to PS Desire. My name is Ishwar and today I will share with you a fantastic technique that will help you achieve a dreamy and romantic look in your photos. This magical effect is known as soft focus effect, a very popular choice in television, movies, commercial photography and especially beloved by wedding photographers, which they always looking to infuse their images with a soft, dreamlike look and feel. You can also achieve this effect with in-camera, but traditionally achieving this effect involved attaching a specialized filter to your camera lens. However, with the advent of digital photography, many modern cameras offer soft focus as a digital effect. You can check your camera menu in the filter section whether you have soft focus effect available to you or not. If not, no worries, we can also create this enchanting look easily in Adobe Photoshop using tools like lens blur and layer transparency. So without further ado, let's dive right in and check out this effect. So here is the photo. I'm going to apply soft focus effect to this wedding photograph. Let's start by making a copy of the background picture. It's a super easy, just press Ctrl or Command plus J on your keyboard. No need to worry about giving it a name because this is the only copy we are making, no more layers. Now go to filter menu, look for the blur and click on it. Then select lens blur. This is a special way of making things look bit blurry like what you get with a real camera lens. If you are working on a portrait photo and want that soft focus effect, set the radius to about 60 pixels. If your picture is smaller, use the smaller number to keep it settled. Then click OK to apply it. Now in the layers palette, you can change how see-through the blurry layer is by adjusting the opacity. It's like adjusting the curtain to let some light in. Try setting it to the somewhat like 30 to 40%. This way you can still see the clear layer underneath. But if you think the blur is too strong, don't worry, you can make it even clearer by lowering the opacity level to around 30%. Or if you want more blur, increase it as much as you like to fit your style. It's all about what looks good to you. Now here is the trick the portrait photographers have used for a very long time. We are going to create a soft blur around the subject. Start with a elliptical marquee tool. It's like a shape maker. Use it to draw an oval shape around your subject face. It might take a few tries to get it just right. If you don't get the right shape, don't worry, you can undo a mistake by pressing Ctrl and D together or Command plus D on Mac. Okay, let's redo the oval shape again. Okay, this looks good. Once you are happy with your oval shape, make it softer. Go to select menu, then choose modify and pick feather. Think of this like putting a soft edge on your oval. Set the feather to about 50 pixels. This will make the transition between the blurry and clear parts look nice and smooth. Now let's select the part outside the oval. To do this, go to select menu and pick inverse. It's like turning things inside out. Now everything outside the oval is selected. This time apply a lens blur filter to the selected outside part. Use a bigger radius this time, like somewhere between 80 to 100 pixels. This will give that area a much softer look. It's like adding a dreamy haze around your subject. Now let's put the finishing touches. Get the soft eraser tool. It's like a digital eraser but softer. This tool will help you fine-tune your photo. Use the soft eraser to carefully remove the blur from specific areas around your subject's face. This way those parts will stay nice and sharp. It's like keeping the focus on what matters most in your photo. If you want those lovely eyes or that beautiful smile to stand out, this is where you can make it happen. Here is one more thing you can do to make your photo perfect. Add some color. Consider using a color lookup adjustment. It's like choosing a special filter for your photo. When you apply this adjustment, you can select a preset that matches the colors you want in your image. Think of it like giving your photo a mood or style. You can choose warm, cool, vibrant, or whatever suits your image best. And there you have it, before and after. The photo transformed into a dreamy, romantic one. Try this effect to your photos to add dreamy and romantic touch. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Stay tuned for our next video. Take care and happy editing.